So we know that the transform tool will help resize individual objects, but the transform tool can also turn into the warp tool, which can create some interesting and fun changes. I'm going to start with, I've just duplicated this layer so that I can make a quick selection. And just for the purposes of this, I am just going to delete that background. We'll deselect and go to Edit and Free Transform. So you know how this works. We hold Shift to resize and change an individual shape or layer. Up here though at the top is this little it's got like a rainbow kind of moment. This is the warp tool. Once you click this, it applies a grid to that transformation and it changes each of these points into something that can move or shift. You can edit and change the corners. You can also take these intersections and move this. This can be really fun if you are trying to make something look perhaps rounded, because you could create that curve to an object. That's kind of fun. You can also take the corners and even flip right over. It can make it look like a piece of paper has flipped on itself. And you can do that with any of the shapes. You can do this with a full layer too, meaning a layer that is edge to edge, but it can often have more interesting and useful effects when applied to an individual shape. When you are happy and done, you push Enter. And again, if you don't like what happened, you're just going to Control Z to undo.